I'm Sam here with Sweet Evil Industries, and I'm here to tell you about our Shotgun Champ. It's the world's fastest beer shotgunner. All you have to do is load it, cock it, and shoot it. Take beer shotgunning to a whole new level. Its spill-free design is engineered to empty your beer in less than 3 seconds. All you have to do is turn your beer upside down, push the beer Shotgun Champ all the way down, and turn it back over, flip the tab, and drink your beer. Head on over to www.sweetevilind.com to become the life of the party.